Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to assemble and I'll give my review of this desk. I bought this desk to put into this corner area here. And right down here, this is the model number and the color of this desk, and then the website of the company. I actually bought this desk off Amazon, and they had different sizes. The size of this desk is 39 inches. I'm going to take everything out of the packaging, and then I'll be back and we'll go from there. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Okay, I opened up the box and I just wanted to show you guys what was in here before I took everything out of the box. Okay, so here are the parts and pieces. I just wanted to show these. I don't need to use these, but these were like corner protectors on the desk there. Some of those just fell off when I took it out of the box, and I took the others off. And then there was also some wire ties in there, but the wire ties on mine were all already broken, so I didn't have to do anything with those. And it looks like putting the desk part on is the last step, so I'm just going to move that out of the way for now. Okay, so these two parts are part C, and then this is part B, and just notice how these are set up currently. And then same thing with part B. Make sure that you put the correct side facing the correct way. So like I had the side with, there's like a hole here and a hole here, and here, facing the correct way. And then I'm just going to put that down for a moment. Okay, so looking at the instructions on steps 1, 2, and 3, it does say do not tighten the screws. And then it has like a little like 50% next to the arrow where it's showing to tighten the screws. I call these bolts, but... and then on step 4, it looks like after everything is assembled, it says turn all screws from 50% to 100% during product assembly. And that's probably just to make sure that everything can fit together properly before everything is tightened all the way down and secured into place. All right, guys, so I almost have the first step completed. And I'm going to show you guys here on the last part of this. So this bolt here, this is bolt G. This is going to go through part C into part B from this side. And then on the other side, this is bolt H, and it's going to go through part B into part C. So I'm going to show you that now. So, and then I have the hex key here. And I'm not going to tighten it down all the way. So now I'm going to put bolt H through this side here. Okay, so next is part I here. I'm just going to take the sticker off. And this is going to go like this on here with the bolt G. So I'm just going to get this started here. Oh. Okay, so there's one of the bolt G's there, and then the next one will go right here, like this. And then it'll be the same thing on this side down here. I'm going to put the other one on this side like this, on to step 3. Okay, so for step 3, Part D will go in here like this, and then I have 2 bolt H, which will go through the sides of, what was this, part B. So I'm just going to get the bolt started. Peeling off the sticker there. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side now, and then I'll be back. Okay, and now I have part F, and I'm just going to put those onto the bottom of each of the legs like this. Okay, so I have the desk part on the ground there, with the side where the bolts are going to go into facing up. But I noticed when I was turning this piece over, right here was not like smooth. It was kind of like off-centered. So I had to undo, you know, the bolt here. There we go. Let's get this to focus, maybe. There we go. This bolt here. And then this bolt here, and then I was just able to, you know, make sure this was flat. I just had to adjust it a little bit, like kind of move it. I was able to like just move this to where it was flat, and then I retightened this bolt and this bolt. Okay, so now I'm going to flip this piece over onto the desk part, and then I'll be back. And you want to be careful. It does say in the instructions here, in part 4, please put the desktop on the foam board in the package to prevent the desktop surface from being scratched. I am just putting it on the carpet there, so I am taking the risk, but you know, the carpet's clean, so I'm personally not concerned, but just be aware you don't want to scratch the desk part while it's upside down like that. And then, okay, so the rest of the bolts are the H bolt. Okay, and then these are just going to go, you know, through, they're just lined up with where the bolts go on the bottom of the desk. And just going to get these all started. And then I'll go through and tighten them down. So I'm just getting all of the bolts snug, and then I'll go back and tighten them down just to make sure everything's secured into place. But right now I'm just getting everything, getting all the bolts snug. Okay, so I went through and tightened all the bolts down from all the different parts and pieces since the beginning of the assembly, and made sure that all the bolts were secured into place. Now I'm going to turn the desk over. And of course, if you need help, make sure that you ask for help when you do turn the desk over. I'm going to turn the desk over now, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here is what the desk looks like when it's all assembled. Here is my opinion, my review of this desk. I really like this desk. I think for this area, it works perfect for me. I also really like this color that I chose. I think they did have different colors, but I'm really happy with this color that I chose. And I think that this desk is going to work great for me. So I hope that this video was helpful, and I'm curious to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.